Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to see Mailblaze versus Klaviyo, which is the better email marketing platform. Click the links in the description to try Mailblaze and Klaviyo for free. Mailblaze and Klaviyo are both email marketing platforms, but they have unique features, pricing structures, and target audiences. We are going to see a general overview based on information available. For email validation, Bouncer is a great email validation tool, so you can try it out for free without having to enter any credit card information using the link in the description below. First, let us see the feature Mailblaze has. Mailblaze offers a range of features, including email campaign creation, subscriber management, automation workflows, AI-powered tools, and reporting/analytics. Second, we see the ease of use. Mailblaze is designed to be user-friendly, making it suitable for businesses of various sizes. Finally, we see its pricing. Mailblaze's pricing may vary based on factors such as the number of subscribers or the frequency of emails. Here is current price of Mailblaze. Now, let us see Klaviyo. First, let us see its future. Klaviyo is known for its robust features, especially in e-commerce. It provides advanced segmentation, automation, /B testing, and integrations with various e-commerce platforms. It has drag and drop automation builder, 300+ pre-built integrations, templates with built-in best practices, and so many other features. Secondly, we see the ease of use. While powerful, Klaviyo might have a steeper learning curve due to its advanced features. Finally, its price. Klaviyo's pricing is often based on the number of contacts or subscribers, and it might be considered more on the premium side. As you see, it has from small amount up to high price. It tends to be popular among businesses, especially in the e-commerce sector. When choosing between Mailblaze and Klaviyo, consider the specific needs of your business, your budget, and the features that are most crucial for your email marketing strategy. Additionally, check for any updates or changes that might have occurred in these platforms. Click the links in the description to try Mailblaze and Klaviyo for free. Thank you for watching.